This is one of our younger engineers trying something. I don't know what. He might get it right, who knows. It looks like it's a little bit of train surgery. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna work. Where are you going? Oh, he's walking away. Oh, he's gonna cut wood. We need to see this. This is something worth watching. Where in the world are you gonna find a teenager cutting wood nowadays? And he's doing it on an iPad in his hand. Or a phone. It might take a while. This is for the guys in Europe. No pressure.
No pressure.
Did you measure it out?
Ba'a.
Huh?
Ba'a.
Ba'a.
It's called the trained art.
The trained art.
Have you not heard of it?
Yeah, or the train being outside, of course. Now we just need to find the saw.
Of some sort. That's the real challenge, eh?
I'll just edit this out and do something with it. Who knows? I think this is going to take a while.
Found a saw, now I just need a blade. Oh. Aha.
Can you see the genius at work?
It is. It's absolute genius.
Oh, no, wait, we need to see the technique. Oh.
No, wait, we have to measure again.
No, cut it, it's fine.
Measure twice, cut once.
No, cut. Can you see the skill? You're going to hit the table when you're through. Wait for it, wait for it. Wait for it. You hit the table. This is YouTube gold. Oh. Let's see if this is going to fit.
Oh, it's a bit short and long.
Put it at an angle.
Put it at an angle.
Yeah. 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 Ah, wedge it in. And that's how we make young engineers in Africa.